shall I cook today?
Hi friends, we meet again, and to the newcomers, welcome to my channel. Today, I will be sharing yet another simple and easy to cook recipe. So, stay tuned guys. Let me get my ingredients. Okay friends, let's start cooking. Today I will be making two types of onde-onde. One is the normal onde-onde and another one I will be using chocolate chunks for the filling and cornflakes as the coating. It is a twist from the original onde-onde and has a nice milky taste to it. Very delicious. I am sure your children will like it. Cubalah. Make sure you steam the grated coconut before coating it with the onde-onde balls. This method will make sure your grated coconut will stay fresh for a longer time. Kalau tak, cepat basi. To make the onde-onde, I add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour to a cup of glutinous rice flour. It makes the dough firm, nanti senang nak bulat-bulatkan. Tepung serbaguna, jangan terlalu lebih. Nanti lihat. I use 3/4 cups of pandan water to this mixture. I use the same cup to measure both the flour and the water. The dough has to be firm but soft. Lembut, bukan lembek ah. In case the dough is dry, sprinkle some water, and if the dough is lembek, sprinkle a little bit tepung pulut. Every batch of flour is not the same, so please adjust water accordingly. This onde-onde dough can make 15 to 20 onde-onde balls. Lagi besar, lagilah kurang. When you boil the onde-onde, make sure the water is at boiling point before you throw in the balls, and it will float when it is cooked. So wait for it to float before taking it out. Now, let's make our special onde-onde. The method is the same, filling aja yang lain. So, you watch the video ya. For this version, I am using crushed cornflakes. Crush the cornflakes finely to fully coat the onde-onde balls. Since I prefer it costly, so I tak hancurkan sangat lah. Tepuk dada, tanya selera. Mana suka buat aja. Cornflakes will lose its crunchiness fast, so if you like it crunchy, eat as soon as it is done. If you like it soft, then you can eat at any time. I don't mind both ways because it is just tasty. You can also use various coating like roasted nastum or crushed peanuts, even chocolate rice. To bind, I use honey, but you can also use condensed milk or cream caramel or even jam of your choice. Yang penting, the onde-onde has to be cooled before coating. This easy to prepare onde-onde is best served with a cup of hot teh tarik halia or coffee. I will link you my delicious teh tarik halia video at the end of this video. Happy eating! If you like this recipe and enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up and share with others. I would like to hear from you in the comment section. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell button for the latest updates. Thank you for your support. Happy cooking. Bye!